Hello everyone, and welcome to International Business. My name is Tim Simolis, and I will be your instructor for this course. First of all, let me tell you a little bit about my background. I've been with PTI for about 11 years now, and I teach in the business department. I teach a variety of courses. Other areas of my background include a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration and a Master of Science in Business Education, both from Robert Morris University. Other career fields I've worked in the past are the hotel industry, the mental health field, and I've also worked in sales. I really enjoy teaching. This is the field that I really feel comfortable in. I've really enjoyed doing this for about 13 years now. I served as a substitute teacher at Parkway West Votech down the road. I've also taught at Robert Morris, I've taught at Penn State, and right now I work part-time for CCAC as well, teaching online. So the online environment is going to be a little bit different, and I really hope that you folks can get a lot out of this course. Let me introduce the course to you next.